Hello everyone. So in this session, I'll explain how to install Eclipse as well as JDK in order to write advanced Java programs. So far you learned about Edit Plus, like how to use Edit Plus to write core Java programs. So tell me what are the things that we need to execute our Java program. First one is JDK, the current version of JDK, and the next one is IDE. So IDE is nothing but integrated development environment, where it provides environment to write any programs, to develop applications, software applications. Okay, so here we know uh, first one as Notepad to write our Java program, and the second one as Edit Plus. Edit Plus. We have one more IDE, that is Eclipse. Eclipse. So we will be using Eclipse to write advanced Java programs, but we are not using Edit Plus. Why? Because in Edit Plus, where we need to write everything manually, where it takes lots of time to write Java programs. Since we are writing very larger programs in advanced Java compared to core Java, so we need to install this Eclipse. Why? Because Eclipse provides so many advanced features. We don't need to write everything manually. And so in order to write programs within less time, we need to go for Eclipse, where it provides so many advanced features. Not only advanced features, along with that, it also help us to correct our mistakes. So how it is gonna help us to correct our errors and everything, that we'll discuss later after installing this Eclipse. So to write, since we are writing very larger programs, we have to install this Eclipse. We are not using this Edit Plus or Notepad to write advanced Java programs. You can use though. It is not like it is compulsory to use Eclipse. You can use Eclipse also. You can use Edit Plus also and Notepad also. So while explaining more programs in advanced Java, you will get to know why we are using Eclipse, why not Edit Plus and Notepad. Don't worry. So first we need to install JDK. You guys already know how to install JDK, but I'll explain one more time. So whoever is not installed this JDK, so now you can refer this video and you can install this JDK. So for that, you have to use browser. So open browser, you can use any browser whichever you want. So here I'm using Chrome. So here type it as Oracle Java. Oracle Java. So see here, you can see so many options, but we need to click on first link, where it will take you to the official website of Oracle. So see here, www.oracle.com. So click on this link. So it will take you to the website of Oracle. See here at the right side of your browser. So see here at the right side of your browser, you can see this download Java option. So click on this option and scroll down. And the current JDK version is 20.01. We always better to go for current updated version of JDK. Why? Because if you install older version, then sometimes it does not support to write Java programs. You may get so many errors and exceptions. So in order to reduce that, we always better to go for the updated version of JDK. Okay, so last I saw that JDK 19 version, but now we have 20. And we also see here Linux, Mac, Windows, different operating systems. So you can install JDK which support that particular operating system. Since I am using this Windows operating system, click on this Windows, and next you can see three options over here. But we need to click on the second option, that is x64 installer. Click on this link. So it started downloading. So let it be. So now it's done. So open when done. So minimize this. Now it's opening. This software has already been installed. I guess the software it is already present in the system. Okay. So you like to reinstall it? Yes, I want to reinstall because I want to show you guys what is the procedure to install this. Okay, so I'll click on yes. So next, after opening that, you will get this option. So click on next. So by default, it will take the path where it has to be located. So it is located in program files folder. Okay, so click on next. So it is downloading now. It is installing. So next, close. Click on close option. So now we have installed JDK. So after that, we need to set path for JDK. For that, here you guys need to go to program files. So first go to C folder, C file. So next here click on program files folder. So in program files you can see this Java option. So click on Java. So here we have JDK 20, the current version of JDK. So click on JDK here. Double click. So double click on bin. So we need to copy this bin path. So just copy this path. Control C. Next, so go to search bar and type environment variable. So see here you can see this option, edit the system environment variable. Open this. Next click on this environment variable. So here we have so many system variables. Since I need to add a path, so click on this path. Here we have so many options. Okay, so I want to add new path. Click on this new option. Next, whatever you copied, just paste it over here. Then click on OK, OK, OK. Okay, so now we successfully installed JDK. If you want to get the confirmation for that, go to command prompt and just type here Java space hyphen hyphen version. So click on enter. So see here you can see this Java 20.0.1 JDK version. So that means we have successfully installed JDK. So now we have completed the first step. So now we have completed first step. So in second step is we need to install Eclipse. We need to install Eclipse. So again we need to go to browser. Go to browser and here type Eclipse. Eclipse. So once you type Eclipse and click on enter, after entering you see here you can see so many options. So first we need to click on first link, that is www.eclipse.org. So click on this link. So see here at the right side of your browser you can see this download option. Click on this download option. So next you will get, so the scroll down. So see here this Eclipse supports both Mac, Windows and Linux. Okay, it support all these three operating system. Okay, so now you can start downloading it. So again download. So it started downloading. See here you can see here it is downloading. So now open this. Open when done. Minimize this. So now it is asking to run this file. Yes, I want to run. Click on run option. So now it's opening Eclipse installer. So see here after opening this Eclipse, see here so many Eclipse edition you can see here. The first one is Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Eclipse IDE for enterprises Java and web development, and for C and C++ developers, PHP developers, and also we have so many options. Since we are writing Java programs, we need to install this Eclipse for Java developers option. That is first option. So just click on this. So by default it is taking JDK. So without JDK we cannot write Java programs by using Eclipse. So by default it will take. So now start installing this. Now installation completed successfully. Just launch this. So now it is asking for workspace. So workspace in this sense location where your Java programs has to be saved. Whatever the programs you guys are writing by using Eclipse, that all will be stored inside this workspace. So here I don't want to change anything. If you want to change the location, you can browse it here and you can change the location. But I don't want to change the location. Okay, so I just want to launch this. So as soon as you open Eclipse, so now it is showing welcome option. So just exit this. So now it is asking us to create a new Java project, Maven project, import project. So since I need to write Java programs, you need to click on this create a Java project. So first you need to give a name for project. So I'll be giving Java programs. So you can give any sort of name, whichever you want. So next here, it will take folder where do I need to store my Java programs. And next, since I am using JDK 20, I need to click on this user project specific JRE as JDK 20. And here, module. I don't want to create a module here. So you need to deselect this. So next, finish. So click on this finish. So now I have created a new project, that is Java programs. So see here, you can see this arrow mark over here. So just click on that and you will get two options, that is JRE system library and then SRC. So go to SRC, right click. So new class. Click on class. So now it will ask us to give a class name. So here I would like to give demo as my class Java class name. And here if you want main method, here you can take main method. So click on this. And next see here access modifier. So by default it is taking public as access modifier and finish. So see here, now it is ready to write our Java program. Remove this line if you don't want. So now it is ready. So see here demo.java, you can see Java file over here. So by default it is taking default package, or else you can create any, you can give package name also, no issue. So now I want to check whether I have installed JDK and Eclipse successfully or not. So for that I'm gonna print hello world. Hello world. Okay, so see here why we need to use Eclipse means if I remove this semicolon, see here you can see this red into mark. So that means it is the compilation error. So compiler will showing this error. So what is this error? Syntax error. Insert semicolon to complete block statement. Okay, so it will only suggest what we can do in order to correct our errors. So that is what that is the main advantage of using Eclipse. Got it? So now I'll put this semicolon. Now error is gone. So now then is how to compile and how to execute this program. So before that we need to save that. So for saving you can use Control S. So once you save that file, automatically it get compiled. You don't want to compile that explicitly. Okay, so once you save that program, automatically it get compiled. So I'm gonna save this. So now the compilation. So now it get compiled successfully. Now I want to execute this program. So for that we have two options here. You can use this green button to run your Java program. So see here, run demo.java. Okay, so if I click on this, so see here on my console window I got output as hello world. So that means we have installed successfully Eclipse and JDK. So one more way to execute our Java program here. So go to your program, right click. You can see so many options over here. You can see this run as option also. So go to run as Java application. Click on this. So here also you will get output. So here also you will get output, that is hello world. Got it? How to execute, how to compile. So we'll see further programs when we are discussing about advanced Java concepts. Don't worry. I hope you also installed successfully both Eclipse and JDK. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.